I like that they give us technicals though. That's fun. They have names. Carl plus Ivan killed me. They have names. I like how my body's intact.
Hey, look, I can dribble the grenade. Oh.
Come on.
Sign up for the Globetrotters.
Real short career.
Go, guys, drag out.
Better be there for the once in a lifetime performance.
Oh, I can't. God damn it.
Paul joined for that.
Nice.
I like the travel too.
Kaboom!
Come on. Come on.
Paul, our
Man,
bodies
you
were
don't skip a beat,
69ing. There's oil leaking.
Hey, is anyone out there?
Someone called the United States.
We are the United States.
I think he's dead.
I'm alive, guys. Oh. I'm everywhere, guys.
I made sure of that.
I got you after the fact, McGoody.
I was just about to shoot an enemy. Come on.
Oh, he killed me. Well, you're
I am immortal. Oh,
there you go. Paul, just click cancel. It kicked me back to loading tree. Don't get cancel.
it's so funny to get kicked after killing someone because it's just and then just an echo of silence.
See you later.
See you. Where are they? Where are they? It was
That
for
didn't
me.
sound good.
It was for me.
Are you okay?
No, I've become one with the universe.
Full scenario.
Wait, which one's level scenario?
Yes.
You may be about to explode, Makuni.
Yeah, since you haven't rejoined. See you later, Makuni.
Did he disconnect?
Yeah.
It disconnected me.
Yeah, I gotta say, you're probably gonna explode if it's just level scenario. Especially if the rest of us don't immediately drop.
Yeah, everything was level scenario for me. Oh, downloading server mods.
Yeah, now you're gonna.
I think it's gone.
How the fuck do we get to A?
The jump pads.
All right, let's get ready.
Can we go up here?
Come on then.
Vent. Ah! That's fun.
I hope there's not fall damage.
I landed on the jump pad. Going down, down, down as the flames are rising higher.
Oh, right, I'm on top of glass.
Some glance.
Oh, I went too far! I think the point is to hit the hanging part.
Come on then.
Oh, bonk.
I overshot. Goodbye.
I like seeing the mini people in the cupboard.
Upload pending.
You need to go in and
Oh, flying terrorists!
Except I'm sorry, I spawned on a glass plate with people below me shooting at me.
Ah! That's fucking terrifying. Just flying terrorists. Oh. Got his ass.
Yeah, we're securing Bravo.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, where? Oh my god! He was trying to weigh himself.
There's a lot.
Oh, well, I think that's the new respawn point.
Hello.
Oh!
Oh my god! I need therapy.
I just kind of popped.
I was just running alongside you and you started leaking.
Leaking, I think, is an understatement. Yeah.
There's so many terrorists, and I have so many drum mags.
So, first world problems.
I think that's a third world problem, actually.
So many terrorists, and I have so many drum mags.
Bert.
That poor man. We put his legs in the door.
You walked into the wrong house. This is.
I took it.
I'm gonna take the Uzi.
Oh my god!
What?
I got the kill, but you tried to delete that man.
I mean, I think I did. Either way.
Oh my god.
We did it. We've left a playable area. That's the point. Oh, we're coming back.
We're not done with you yet.
Australia.
Right now.
Oh, yes, the terrorists in the Australian outback.
Yep.
It's emus.
Everyone ready?
Wait, we're the terrorists.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, help me!
Yeah, he's by the back door.
I found out.
Oh, hi.
So far, he's been real effective too.
I walked it behind him, put the barrel against his head. Click.
Dan. Kill yourself, you piece of shit.
I didn't expect it to kill you. I expected it. My brain expected it just to nudge you.
Also, there's technicals with guns on it on the road. Hell yeah, brother.
He went squish.
That was a fun sound.
I'm gonna say he went squish.
Oh, I just watched Makuni do it. I wonder if I could get the achievement I need on this map. Grenade.
There's so much shit going on.
That bomber got a lot. Jesus Christ.
Mostly friendlies. He's probably gotten kicked from the server. Weapon of choice, M2HB. Ferris wheel. Oh, Geonosis.
Play again.
Checkpoint CIS.
Miami?
No, the Confederate fucking whatever they're called. The droid
I hope
army.
this doesn't explode because it thinks it's part of the overall mod.
Is this Mars?
It's Geonosis from Star Trek.
Oh, sorry. I don't watch Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, good thing, because it's from Star Wars.
Listen, I thought you actually meant Star Trek. I don't know which one you're talking about right now.
I'll be a commander. It's from Star Wars.
Okay, I still don't watch Spaceballs.
I know. That's why I said Star Trek. Oh my god, there's not much visibility here.
No shit.
This
I thought I died immediately to
Oh
an
my
enemy.
god. There's not a lot of visibility on this
We
map.
going?
Oh Jesus.
team kill immediately.
Listen, I won't complain if that happens.
This is the alternate future where we got space travel a lot sooner.
Bro, Breaking Bad looks really weird.
This is Mexico.
Okay. Yeah, you know what game? You're right. 50-meter headshot. You're right.
50-meter headshot in this.
Dude, what the hell did you shoot at? I didn't even see an enemy.
I'm just shooting at muzzle flashes.
No, but
Oh
quit
my
it,
god.
buddy.
Let me out of here, game!
I have a scope, but I can see flashes.
Oh my. Oh, bro, you're.
Time to take cover.
Watch out.
We don't have anything like that. Dan!
I love the 150-meter headshot from the Gatling gun.
The only thing I'm thinking in my back of my head is, I don't know if this fog affects the enemy's visibility.
I don't think it does.
Don't think it does.
As someone who got hit by a 150-meter headshot from a helicopter,
50-meter shot. Oh yeah, helicopter.
Oh, we weren't going yet.
I'm watching 3 ants march one by one through the desert.
Holy fuck.
How about
Defense.
extended mag?
No, don't even put that on us.
It's gonna do it.
Thank Dan. My observer's never alive.
Throw one tap.
Oh!
Ah,
Helicopter! Helicopter!
what the hell?
It's so not fair, but it's so funny. We literally have nowhere to hide from a helicopter.
Helicopter,
And then it
helicopter.
just comes in with 30mm rocket barrage.
It is literally coughing baby versus hydrogen bomb.
Get gas on the spot. Outpost, we need you to gas this position. Fire chemical mortars here.
Ah, I didn't bring a gas mask.
That's all right. Not calling it in on us.
Sweat drops. Me, who's been here the entire time. We're not?
It's empty. That's empty.
Oh, I didn't mean to vault the railing.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
This is point.
J. Paul, why don't you speak? JPSL. J. Paul Sign Language.
Up ahead.
Steve.
We're up here. Dan. Imagine we could repel.
William?
I'm repelling.
Fuck you.
Hello, I am in cave now.
Uh-oh.
J. Paul's turn. Get in there, buddy.
I am also
Yeah, do it.
unfortunately now in the cave.
Do it. Just get in there. You gotta help your brothers.
Bro, I can't.
Why not? Why aren't you
behind
speaking
us,
to
behind
us? Yeah, they need your backup.
Oh, I have no bullets in my gun.
Good boy.
I am not
Who's a good boy?
Reloading! I know.
Thank God I missed.
Sure.
J-Paul just back up against the wall and shoot.
Contact north.
Is there actually an enemy, or are you guys just yelling?
Contact west.
He's just yelling.
Affirmative.
Blocked by enemy.
I don't know why he's not talking to us.
And
Say
down.
that sometimes.
You're down?
You got it.
You have Down syndrome?
We need smoke. Damn it.
Need smoke.
Paul, that's your cue.
Shot.
Yes, hey, Paul, I just saw the red poof next to me.
See, I could understand a 50-meter headshot on this map.
Yeah.
I was prone underneath like a tire though.
I guess you could say you're tired of those kinds of kills.
New magazine. Yo, guys, frag out. Molotov out.
Throw everything.
Dang it.
I didn't think
weapons
that
chest got a
helicopter would
headshot.
explode. Could we have flown this?
No.
Maybe.
Please excuse me. No.
Are you stuck?
I was stuck behind you for a second.
Oh, I'm doing loadout
I'm
stuff.
outside.
Look over here.
Oh, hello. Jesus Christ.
What just happened?
We just got screwed.
The whole team spawned in the hallway.
Yeah, I turned around and I'm like, oh.
Paul, you gotta get on point, dog.
Is there nobody else?
No,
No.
we all got exploded.
Using a Molotov.
There's another one on the floor there. Yeah, that's probably why they gave us this extra room, Paul.
Yeah. Just hang out for a bit.
So what you're saying is autocannon.
They died to pain-causing volume.
Didn't know we had sonic weaponry.
What?
Sonic weaponry.
Much in the radio, the comms up a little too
volume.
high.
Oh, we're getting irradiated. Oh, that's the pain causing volume. Please actually get them in the building. Oh my god!
No, give me a gun.
J-Paul's locked the fuck in right now.
Affirmative.
Yeah.
Get down. Tough guy, huh?
I think it's upstairs.
Oh, that's it.
Ho ho ho.
Unless there's one straggler somewhere. I think J. Paul did it.
Bro, I can't. No.
There's someone else at the point.
Negative.
No. There he is. J-Paul, stop joking.
J. Paul.
No.
You missed.
Yeah,
You missed. Jesus Christ, J-Paul, good
God.
fucking work.
Stick together.
Steel Rain inbound.
I ran into you. You stopped. I ran into you, and it slid me off the side.
I was trying not to do exactly what you did.
I would like to play the video game.
I'm sorry.
Alright, they're done firing. We're here if you need more. Station out.
Yes, we need more. Send more.
Observer, this is Station. We're ready to begin with fire support. Just call it.
Hey guys, can you send me another observer maybe? He fucking broke all of his legs and died. Oh, this isn't creepy.
Oh, it does not like the swing. Do not like swing.
That wasn't creepy at all.
Dan, was that Dan? Dan, you feeling it?
Oh God!
I didn't know it had physics.
Oh yeah, swing is not nice. Don't go on.
Especially.
Get it.
I don't like the nuke siren.
That's where you throw on the gas, man.
Where am I? Where did I spawn? Where are we, Dan? Dan, no!
I
We're
was
in
just
a
trying to
bad
find
spot.
cover.
They're right there, J. Paul. They're all to your
Where's the
right.
Indian music coming from?
The truck.
I just took off the truck. We're going on truck at least.
Oh, there was a truck.
I am very stimulated. There's too much happening. There's smoke. There's kind of music and a fucking nuke alarm going off. I don't want to be here.
Wait, Chip, I can see around the corner for you.
Please, how's that way looking?
I don't know. I can't see because you're up against the wall.
I'm back in the fucking van. Oh God. Oh my God.
Where the
Will behind you.
Oh, hi there on the floor.
That wasn't even what I was talking about. There's a guy in the distance too.
Let's hear some voices. How are
Holy fucking shit.
This map has grown on me.
Where's the fucking box?
Where's the
I
end?
think over there where Makuni is.
Where's the end of the level? We're on mission J.
We're gonna go to the whole alphabet.
I want to go to bed 30 minutes ago.
I wish I could resupply artilleries.
Oh right, a box would have been helpful.
It's
The
back
game
there
isn't
on the truck.
balanced for the missions to be this long.
I'm a little far, Will, at this point. We have 29 minutes maximum before the game.
It's
That's per
29.
point.
It's per point.
Oh, I really wish it wasn't.
We've. Oh, it
I
doesn't
want
tell
to
us how long
sleep.
we've been in this mission.
There is 2 more points. No, there's 4 more points after J.
I think we're about to say 40. Looks like we're launching a nuke.
If you're J-Paul, if you just respawn, get inside. Will, get inside.
I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Oh, I'm making a new build.
Not anymore.
You might want to stop that.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
were
I'm running.
inside.
I'm running. It's probably just smoke, but
No, there was enemies.
also Makuni. There's a mounted. I was right outside the door.
That was horrifying to watch. I'm looking at a window. Okay, go back, look into this window, and there goes Will.
Will, I tried to warn you.
Oh, I know. I was next to the door.
So a couple people leave. So a couple people stay.
I'm heading to the cockpit of the plane. It looks like I can get
How's the travel, Will?
51. The travel of 51 meters into my noggin went
Yeah,
pretty
how'd it
well.
No.
Dan! Oh, it's not Dan.
No, it's Paul.
J. Paul!
It's fucking everywhere in the smoke.
We haven't come this far to die.
This is kind of concerning. I put my phone next to my computer and it started charging. That's a little concerning.
Goodbye, Paul.
That is a little concerning.
Fucking
No!
hell. That's awful.
No!
What a shit defense.
134 kills.
114 kills.
42 kills with
133.
fire support.
140.
That was. we
That was
gotta
a
try that
50-minute
again.
match.
We gotta try that again, not tonight.
Yeah, please not tonight.
Okay, I don't see the silly map, J. Paul. You're free.
Yay.
Geonosis.
Christ.
I plan to be here for an hour max. It's been 2.
Skill issue.
No, it's a good. No, it's not. We're too. Actually, it is. We're too good.